Your iPhone secretly remembers where you go. So if you want to know, then you can check this setting. This feature is called significant locations. You can access it on your phone through your settings. So open up your settings and then you need to scroll down and you will find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it and then go with location services. Under location services, you need to scroll down and choose system services. Tap on it. Here you will find the option of significant locations. It may ask for your Face ID or your passcode. Before you decide to turn this feature off or leave it on, let's first understand what it is and what it does. Significant location is part of the location system on your iPhone. The idea is that the phone learns the places you visit frequently. For example, home, work, places you visit often, and the goal is to improve certain features such as map suggestions or estimated arrival time, some system services. Apple says that the data is encrypted and stored only on the device, but many people don't even know that this list exists. Some users also don't like this feature because it means the phone remembers your usual movements, even if the data is stored only on the device. That's why many people simply decide to turn it off. You can also choose clear history, which will be on the bottom, and delete the recorded locations as well. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.